Welcome. If you're looking to stay on top of your Snapchat conversations and never miss a message, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to view your unreplied chats on Snapchat, updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open up the Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats. Once you're in the app, look to the bottom of your screen and tap on the chat icon. This will take you straight to your list of conversations. Here, you'll see all your recent chats, both read and unread, but we're interested in the ones you haven't replied to yet. Now, at the top of your chat screen, you'll notice different tabs or filters. Look for the one labeled Unreplied and tap on it. This feature is designed to help you quickly find all the chats that are waiting for your response. It's a real time saver, especially if you're someone who gets a lot of messages or sometimes loses track of ongoing conversations. Once you're in the Unreplied tab, you'll see a list of all the chats where someone has messaged you and you haven't replied yet. This way, you can easily catch up on conversations you may have missed or forgotten about. Simply tap on any chat to open it and send your reply. This feature is perfect for making sure you never leave friends or important contacts hanging. Whether you're managing group chats, keeping up with family, or just making sure you don't miss a message from someone special, the Unreplied tab keeps everything organized and easy to access. To recap, just open Snapchat, tap on your chat, and then tap Unreplied at the top. It's that simple. With these steps, you'll always be on top of your Snapchat conversations and never miss a beat. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with your friends so they can stay organized too. See you next time.